Hello friends, I am Meghna Thomas and welcome back to the official channel of Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. Are you someone who's dreaming of becoming an airline pilot? Are you someone who's always dreamt of being in the cockpit and having the controls in your hands? But you don't know how to go about with making this your career because you don't have the right contact or the right person to guide you on your journey to the cockpit. Well, don't you worry. Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy is here to help you. And today, I am going to talk to you about a workshop conducted by Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy called the Takeoff Workshop. The purpose of conducting this workshop is to help young aspiring pilots to achieve their dreams. The Takeoff Workshop, also known as the GE Workshop, is a systematic process to help students find out if the career as an airline pilot is a right career for them or not. Because we believe in a principle that it really doesn't matter where a person comes from. What matters is where is the person heading to. As you all know, that Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy is an ISO certified pilot training academy, and the high standard of training provided by our exceptional instructors is going to help you, guide you and make you so skilled that you will find it easy to make your way to the cockpit. Telling you a little bit more about the Takeoff Workshop. This workshop is conducted in two types. Basically, we have one 2-day workshop and there is a workshop for 7 days. Talking about the benefits of a 2-day workshop. Well, this workshop will help you analyze if the career as a pilot is a right career for you or not. We will be discussing the challenges and the opportunities in the India's civil aviation sector. You will be given the right guidance on how to become a commercial airline pilot. You will be given the basic knowledge or taught a little bit about 2 DGCA subjects. And there will be a small test conducted on a daily basis to check your progress or your potential. Now, let's talk about the 7 days workshop. Again, after finishing this, you will be able to make out if this career is the right choice for you. You will be given the right guidance on how to become a commercial pilot. In the 7-day workshop, you will be given a basic idea or an outlook of all the subjects of the DGCA exams. You will have everyday tests to check your potential. You will be guided to find yourself the right flying school, which will help you save your money and time as well. There will be a student-parent counseling. You will be guided on how to apply for the loan and also be told about the cadet pilot program, which I had already told you in my previous video. And at the end of the 7-day workshop, we will be conducting a psychometry and an aptitude test to check if you really have the material to be a pilot. The results and performance are going to be shared with the students to be very fair so that you know what is right for you and what's not. And at the end, the qualified students are going to get a scholarship for the CPL ground classes at Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy. So, do you find this workshop interesting? Do you think it will benefit you if you come attend our workshop? So let me tell you the steps of joining the Takeoff Workshop with Epaulettes. Firstly, you need to fill up the Google form with all your education qualifications and the detail asked for. The form will also be provided in the link below. We will be evaluating your application and you will be receiving a call from us in 4 to 5 days. The workshop will commence in a few days, about which the date and timings will be informed to you via WhatsApp or call. And for the students who will attend the workshop for 7 days and perform well, will be given the scholarship for the CPL ground classes at Epaulettes Aviation. Well students, this was all about the Takeoff Workshop. If you think that this workshop is really going to help you decide about what you want to do in your life, or if you really want to go ahead with a career as an airline pilot, please feel free to come meet us or contact us at the address and contact details given in the description below. If you liked my video today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share and subscribe and ring the bell icon for all the further updates that will follow. Thank you guys. Bye bye.